How to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply tap on the profile name. Now on your profile page, simply tap on the camera icon on the profile picture. Now tap on choose profile picture. Now simply select the photo. Now unselect the option Share your update to the newsfeed. Then tap on Save at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.